If you've ever thought about starting an online business, you've probably heard one of these myths. You need to be techie. You need a huge following. Or you need to spend years building before you can make a dollar. I'm here to tell you that just ain't true. That's a bunch of misinformation, just making it more, making folks more apprehensive and fearful about even trying. And this is the point that most people, even before they get started, they're already failing because they've been told the wrong things by people who they think are gurus or have been in the space a long time. You don't need a website first. You don't need to go viral. You don't need 10K followers. You don't need to invest thousands of dollars in coaching before you see any results. And most importantly, you don't have to be someone special to win, whatever someone or whoever that special is. You know, all of these things just create fear, hesitation, confusion. A confused mind does nothing. And that's exactly what I did in the past. I got hung up on all these things, making a list of all the things that I thought I needed to get started, to move forward, to make a difference, to create an online income stream while I'm working full time. So the truth, you guys, is just start, get started, start smart, start simple. When I started this journey, I wasn't an expert. I'm still not an expert. I didn't have a big email list. I wasn't tech savvy, but I found a system that was actually designed for people just like me. That's all. You probably haven't found it yet, you know, and that's where I was trying and moving from one thing to the other, trying to find something that was designed for people like me, working full time. Gen Xer, baby boomer, looking to, thinking about retirement, knowing I'm not ready financially, and just all the things that I want to do with my life before I, sit on the rocking chair on the front porch, right? So when I found this digital business course, I was super excited because everything is over the shoulder training. It's a done for you product, a framework for creating content and growing trust. These are things that we learn the importance of within that course. And that's what most people miss. You do not need to reinvent the wheel. You just need the right vehicle. So this is something that definitely this course has offered me with all the training. If you can cut and paste and copy, you're good to go. So, and I decided to take on a challenge, as I mentioned in my first video. I'm doing things a little bit differently. Yeah, I was making 2, 3 videos a week, but I wasn't consistent, to be honest with you. I had a lot of questions, like a lot of things in life just I allowed to get in the way. But now I've made a commitment, a 30-day challenge. So my plan is to make 30 videos in 30 days. So I'm building in public. I'm going to hold my own feet to the fire. I've got to show up and make those videos. And this is a real product that pays $500 plus per sale. So, I'm learning as I'm going, but I'm also applying as I learn. And I have a huge support system that makes all the difference. I have access to community once I invested in this course that gives me access to a mentor and also a community of like-minded people. And this is just what I want to show others, that you don't need to know everything to start. You just need to get started. And this is something that our mentor has encouraged us over and over again. Just get out there, do it anyways, feel the fear. And that's what really this 30-day challenge is for me. Do I know exactly what's going to happen? No. Are all my videos going to make sense? Probably not. But you know what? I'm going to learn and I'm going to keep going. One of the things that I'm so excited to share with everyone is a free resource that came available to us in the community through our mentor. It's called The Elite Guide to Digital Income, and it's the exact starting point I wish I would have had when I was confused, overwhelmed, and just ready to quit, So that's available for you. It's down in the description and also in the comments. And just make sure that you subscribe and follow along, because I'm going to share what's working every day of this challenge, also what's not working, things I can do better. So like tomorrow, I'm going to break down exactly how I got my business set up and how fast you can do it, even if you're working full-time like me. So thanks for dropping in, guys. I'll see you tomorrow on day 3.